Keeping gutters free and clear is essential for home health. Today we're here to talk about how to clean your gutters. Hi, I'm Chris with JDT Construction. Today we're here to talk to you about your gutters, how to know you have a problem, and how to clear blockages for optimal performance. So there's many ways to know that your gutters are clogged. One, you can actually see water coming from the top of your gutter, or you can visually see growth coming from them. And lastly, you can actually see pooling water coming from the foundation of your home. So let's talk about how to clean your gutters. Dress for the job. Wear long sleeve shirt, work pants, and rubber gloves. Spread a tarp underneath your workspace to collect any debris and to protect whatever is below. Make sure you have a good, sturdy, extendable ladder. After you clear the debris, flush the gutters and downspouts out with a garden hose. It's also a great way to spot any leaks. Remember, always call a professional if you don't feel comfortable or if you don't have the proper safety wear. Safety is always a priority when cleaning out your gutters. See you next time. We hope this information was helpful for you. For any more JDT Construction videos, subscribe to our channel.